Hi teachers, I hope that you're doing well. So this week we're getting ready to send out our reports for the MYP, and for the 10th grade students we need to make sure we're leaving a comment for their personal project. So what I'm going to need you to do is sometime this week before Friday, could you please check your students' progress on ManageBack. You'll be looking for a completed proposal, and then you should make sure that it's approved, and if it's not approved, make sure you're communicating to the student why, or make sure you know the reason why so we can tell the parent. Check the additions they've made to their process journals. I'll show you how to check that in just a moment. You should make sure that they've given evidence of appropriate progress, and you can check that by following this link to look at our internal timeline and see maybe where they should be in the month of October or towards the end of the month of October, and have they documented that on their process journal, or have you seen that in your meetings with them. And then also look for general excitement or engagement with the process. You comment on the things that only you know. Are they reaching out to you? Are they seeming like they're excited to work on this? Are they, what's their general feeling about it? You can also check all of the necessary support documents for the personal project in our personal project folder, and the link is right here. So to look at your students' progress on ManageBack, you're going to go to their page. You do that by selecting Reviews and Progress, and then you go to Projects, and then once you click there, you can see the students that you have, or the student that you have. You can look, you should be able to see their worksheet here, which was their general proposal. After looking at that, you can, see, are they on track? Does it look good? You can check their journal here to see the additions that they've made to their process journal. What have they included? Have they shown evidence of research? Have they shown evidence of understanding what they want to make, what they want to do, talking about their global context, talking about their goal? You can look at all of that there in their process journal. And again, you can check where they should be on that based on the internal timeline, so about the things they should be doing. So at this point, they should be in their investigation stage. They should be exploring different sources. They should be evaluating their research. They should be, seeking out information and experts to understand what they want to do, to learn about what they want to do, and to be able to eventually complete their goal that we came up with. You'll record your comment here. In this document for comments, you'll see a column that has the student names, the supervisor names, and then just a third column where you can fill in your comment, and you should comment on these general things. Is the student on track? Have they done what they need to do? What are some things maybe that they're missing, or how would you like to see them improve going forward? Just include that in your comment. Thank you so much. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Good luck. Have a great week. Bye, guys.